A new feature on Google Search tells you how long the lines are at your favorite places. So now you can avoid the half-hour waits just to pay extra for guac. Hi everyone, I'm Morgan Manousos for Buzz60. The company announced the new search feature on Google+, which will allow users to search a place or business and see when the restaurant's peak hours are. The popular time section, along with the address, phone number, and hours, now will be in the location card for each business. Google says it sets the popular times based on historical visits. While it can't tell you exactly how many people are in a line at a given time, it gives you an estimate of the best days and times to visit a place. Google isn't saying where it's getting its historical information, but it's likely using location data from Android phones showing how many people are at a place at which times, a method the search engine company says it's already used to calculate traffic congestion. And if the line's too long, the great thing is Google lets you order delivery right from search. Buzz60, now you know, pass it on.